In this tutorial, I'll show you how to close positions fast on the TradingView Mobile app. By the end, you'll confidently exit trades at the best available market price using 3 built-in options: the X on the chart, close position in the bottom tray, and flatten in the DOM view. First, close a position directly from the chart. Open the chart for the symbol where you have an active trade. Look for the position line on the chart. It shows your entry, size, and floating PNL, and you'll see a small X on the right edge of that line. Tap the X. When the confirmation appears, choose Close Position. This sends a market close and exits immediately at the best available price. You'll see the position line disappear and your PNL update. If you don't see the position line, make sure you're on the correct symbol and that your open position is visible on the chart. Next, close a position from the order panel at the bottom tray. From the chart screen, open the bottom tray. If it's collapsed, swipe up on the handle or tap to expand it. Go to the Positions section, find the position you want to exit, tap it to open the Action options, then tap Close Position. Confirm the close. This also executes at market and should fill instantly. Watch for the position to be removed from the list and the P&L to settle. If you manage multiple positions, double-check you selected the correct one before tapping Close Position. Now use the Flatten button in the DOM or Depth of Market view for instant execution. Open the bottom tray again and switch to DOM. Confirm you're on the right symbol and account. Locate the Flatten button on the DOM screen. Tap Flatten. Confirm the action. Flatten immediately closes the current position and cancels any open orders for that symbol, all at the best available market price. Because Flatten is a powerful one-tap command, always verify the symbol and account at the top of the screen before confirming. After flattening, the position will be gone, any resting orders will be cleared, and your position size will show 0. At this point, you've seen all 3 fast methods on the TradingView Mobile app: the X on the chart for quick one-off closes, close position in the bottom tray when you're reviewing positions, and flatten in DOM when you need an instant all-in-one exit for that symbol. All 3 execute at market to get you out quickly, and each method provides a confirmation so you can be sure before the order is sent. If you ever tap Close or Flatten and don't see the position close right away, give it a moment and check your connection, then confirm the position and symbol again. On a successful close, the position disappears from the chart and the positions list, and your P&L stops updating for that symbol. That's it. Your fast close workflow on the TradingView Mobile app is now set up and working using the X on the chart, close position in the bottom tray, or flatten in DOM for instant market execution. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.